A, a very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about adverb of time. Okay, so I kindly request you all to be ready with page number 30, worksheet 17. Okay, so we already know what is an adverb is. Come on, tell me what is an adverb. Who can give me an answer? What is an adverb is?
Adverb tells more about a verb.
Very good. An adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Okay, something more about the verb is called an adverb. Very good, fine. Now we have already learned about adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner. Ask a question. Come on, tell me. Adverb of manner. Ask a question. How? Yes, how the action happened. How? Okay, so we have learned that adverb of manner ends in
ly.
ly. Very good. Ends in ly. Most of the adverb of manner ends in ly, but there are certain adverbs that do not end in ly. Which are those words, my dear children?
Hard,
Yes, hard,
fast,
well,
fast.
Okay, hard, well, fast. Okay, so these are the three words that do not end in ly. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, so now let's move on to the new topic that we are going to learn in today's classes, adverb of time. In order to know the time, what the question we need to ask there? Okay, imagine that I've invited you all for a party. So you have to know the date and the time. So in order to know the date and the time, what the question you will ask? You have to ask?
When?
When. Very good. Very good. You have to ask a question when. Okay. Now, if I've invited you for a party, you have to know the day and the date. Okay. Similarly, this, when we are going to learn about the adverb of time, we are not going to mention you the day and the date, but it tells you there are certain words which tells us when it so happened, when the incident happened. So in order to find out the adverb of time, ask the question when. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. So we are on the topic, adverb. What happens? One minute, my dear children.
We cannot see.
Yes, I know it. All of you, please do get ready with your English grammar workbook. That is worksheet 17, page number 30.
Okay, ma'am. Number.
Page number is 30. 30 is 30.
Ma'am, I am absent in that class.
What is that?
I am absent in that class.
Which class?
Ma'am, you cannot see the board.
Yes. Wait. You cannot see the board.
Absent in that class.
Okay. Let me check my timetable only, then I will know it.
And we take it, ma'am.
You are in 3rd A, no? Yes, 3rd A. Last class Saturday, you were not able. Only few were present since it was board 4. No, my dear children. So I've told you I'll be taking the class again for you. Is that so? Yes.
Yes.
So in the last class, I took for you adverb of time. Okay, so we have finished with adverb of manner. So all of you, please do take page number 30. So have you finished with page number 29, my dear children? Were there? Yes, we have finished with that page number 28 and 29. Now we are moving on to a new topic, that is worksheet 7, adverb of time. So please have a look at it. So we are at the topic, worksheet 17, adverb of time. Okay, so all of you, please have a look at the slide. Adverb of time tells us when an action happened. Okay, and it answers the question when. Adverb of time, it tells us. What does it tell us? It tells us when the incident or when the action happened. Is that clear? And it answers the question when. Okay, so it answers the question when. Clear to all of you? So we have already told you adverb of manner answers the question how, but adverb of time answers the question. Come on, tell me. Answers the question
When?
when. Adverb of time answers the question
When?
when. Adverb of time answers the question
When?
when. Very good. When. Very good. Now, here, there is no such rules as such. I'm going to mute you all. Why means unnecessary disturbance are from. Okay, you're not muting your audios. Now, listen, all of you. Listen. As I've already told you, adverb of manner has certain clues. That is, most of the adverbs end in ly, and there are certain adverbs that do not end with ly. So we know what our adverb of manners are. But here as such, we have to learn all the words. Okay, so here some common, very common examples of adverb of time are there in these set of words. There are 10 words are there. Let us learn this. So as we do it, we will learn word by word. Okay, so let us learn these 10 words for now. Okay, so are you all ready with your rough book? Please do get ready with your rough book, my dear children. Take your pencils in your hand. Let's write these words as we say it. Only I wanted you to write it only once. Okay, as you write it once, you will learn it well. Okay, so please do take your rough book, write these words well. Okay, why means like adverb of manner, there is no rules as such. Here we have to learn all the words. Okay, so come on, start. Have all of you have started? All of you, please do take your rough book. Take your pencils in your hand, all of you. I wanted to see you all doing it. Yes, very good. Yes, write the word today. Come on, write today. So as you write, I will mark your attendance too. Today. Today. If you are finished with today, move on to the next word, that is yesterday. Yesterday. Come on, right. Yesterday. Yesterday, after yesterday, you please do write tomorrow. So today, yesterday, tomorrow. Come on. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Have all of you finished? Now let's move on to the next word, that is tonight. Come on, write it. Tonight. Tonight.
Ma'am, I cannot go.
Tonight.
Ma'am, we have to write and study this. Finish.
Only write it once in your rough book, I told you. Unless you write, we will not know what is adverb of time is. I wanted all of you to write it at least once in your rough book. Yes, what is it?
In the last day, we write this.
Yes, that we wrote it, I know it, but only very, very few participants were there. Okay, so you write it once more. So today, yesterday, tomorrow, tonight. Have you all finished? Now let's move on to last week, last year.
Yeah.
Write it only once.
Can you talk?
Yes.
Can you mute
Do we only write the
Yes, I'll mute
underlined
you all.
words?
Yes, only write it once, my dear children. This is just for you to know. It's once is built one. If you write it once, that is more than enough. But when you write something, write it. Put your heart and soul into your work and you do it. So you will learn it. So we have finished with 6 words. That is today, yesterday, tomorrow, tonight, last week, last year. If I finish with the last year, let's move on to the next word. That is now. Come on. Now. 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 Yes. Are you all writing?
Ma'am, I have finished writing. Ma'am, I have finished writing.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, after tonight.
Yes. Have you all finished?
Ma'am,
Tonight,
yes,
you
ma'am.
have to write last week, last year. Come on, write last week, last year.
Yes, ma'am, we finished that.
Vaiga, have you finished?
Ma'am, do we also want to write earlier and soon?
What is that?
Do we also want to write earlier and soon?
Yes, yes, we have to write it first. Now we have finished with 6 words, and now I've told you to write. So the 7th word. Now let's move on to the 8th word. That is later. Come on, write later. Farmers, what are you doing? Are you writing, my dear?
Finished, ma'am. I'm finished writing.
Okay.
I'm finished writing.
Okay. So if you're finished with now and later, now let's move on to the next word. That is earlier. Come on, write all of you. Earlier. Earlier.
I'm finished.
Earlier. Now you write.
Earlier finished.
Yes. Okay, right then. Soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Soon. After the last word is soon.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Finished all of you?
Finished, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written all.
So have all of you finished?
Yes.
Okay. If you are finished, let's say all these words. Okay. Okay. So all of you keep your book closed. Now, Aldrin, come on, say the words. Say some of the common, very common examples of adverb of time. Come on, tell me. Unmute it. Unmute it.
Yesterday, tomorrow, tonight.
Others, please do mute your audios. Who's saying the answer? Is it Aldrin? No. I wanted Aldrin to say the answer. Aldrin, unmute it, Aldrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, say the answer.
Yesterday, tomorrow, next week, next year.
Yes, next year. Next year. Come on. Next year. Okay, thank you, Aldrin. Okay, Anthony Babu, come on, Anthony. Yes, okay. Yes, Anthony Babu, come on, Anthony. Others, please do mute your audios, my dear children, please. Devash, mute. All of you, please do mute. Anthony, Sriveni, mute your audios. Anthony, come on, unmute it. Yes, Anthony, come on, unmute it and say the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. I don't want anyone to look into your book. Without looking at the book, say how many words you can say it, plus just try it. That's why I've told you there is a procedure. I've told you how to learn. First, we will start from today. Come on, start from today. 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 Today.
Today.
Then what is the next word is? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
That is how I've told you we have learned 3 words. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Then what is the 4th word? I told you to learn. That is the tonight. It is. Tonight. Then I've told you to write about the last week, last year. Is that clear? Last week, last year. Then, so we have learned about 6 words. So let's learn that 6 words once more. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, tonight, last week, last year. So we have learned about 6 words. Then comes 4 more words are there. Which are those words are now, earlier, later, soon. Okay, now, earlier, later, soon. This is how you are going to learn it. Okay. Okay, Devash, come on, Devash. Come on, say it once. Let me check whether you have learned it or not.
Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, later, last week, last year,
yes,
tonight, soon, earlier.
Okay, very good, Devash. Okay, now I'll ask Afif. Okay, Afif, come on, one more chance. Yes, Afif, come on.
Today, yesterday, soon, now, last week, last year, earlier, yesterday, tomorrow.
Again. Okay. Very good. Nora, come on, Nora. Nora, come on, wait. Everyone will be wait. Nora, come on. All the others, please mute your audios.
Today,
yes, Nora.
Today, yesterday, tomorrow, tonight, last week, last year, now, later, earlier, soon.
Very good. Well done. Okay then. So let's move on to. So okay, children. So this is how you are learning it. Have you understood? So we have learned about the 10 very common examples of adverb of time. Now let's learn how to do the exercise. Are all of you are there? So here is an example for you. Okay, here is an example for you. How is that we are going to identify the adverb of time? So here is a sentence for you. So we have to read the sentence first. He will go home now. First of all, we need to identify the verb in the sentence. Here the verb is will go. So ask a question, when will he go? When will he go? Now. So now is the adverb of time. Okay, so adverb of time answers the question when. First of all, you need to identify the verb in a sentence, ask a question when, you will get the answer, and that is the adverb of time. Clear to all of you? Yes? Have I not muted you all?
Yes.
Yes, then why is there's no answer for me? I'm not getting an answer. Okay, yes, then. Now there is an exercise, so let's do it. Okay, Abhinav KB, come on, read the sentence and tell me how to identify the adverb of time in the sentence. Come on, tell me.
Mom bought this yesterday.
Okay, mom bought this yesterday. So,
Yesterday.
no, first I wanted you to identify the verb in the sentence. Then you have to tell me how is that you're going to identify the adverb in the sentence, as I have told you. Yes, come on. Identify the verb.
Bought.
Bought, very good. So bought is the verb here. Very good. Now ask a question. When did he buy? When did mom buy this for you?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. So yesterday is the adverb of time. Okay. So first you need to identify the verb in the sentence. Ask a question. You will get the answer. And that is the adverb of time. Okay. So all of you, please do turn on your videos. Okay, now farmers, come on, farmers. Farmers, come on, read the question. Next question for me. Read the question.
Ma'am, I saw some.
Yes, farmers, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Auntie.
Aunt Helen.
Aunt Helen.
Visited
the
farm
last week.
Yes, Aunt Helen visited the farm last week. So, Aunt Helen visited the farm last week. So,
Visited.
Visited. Come on. Visited is a verb there. Now ask a question. When did Aunt Helen visit the farm? When did she visit the farm?
Last week.
Last week. So last week is the adverb of? Last week is the adverb of?
Time.
Time. Very good. Okay. The next chance goes to Austin. Austin, come on, Austin. Read the next sentence for me. And identify the verb in the sentence. Come on. Identify the verb. They will
tonight.
They will watch a movie tonight. Come on, read the question once more. They will
watch a movie tonight.
Yes, they will watch a movie tonight. Okay, then. Come on, identify the verb in the sentence.
Will watch.
Yes, will watch. Yes. So, will watch is the verb there. Now ask a question. When will they watch a movie?
Tonight.
Tonight, yes. Tonight is the adverb of time. Very good, Austin. Sarah, are you there? Why is it you're playing there, Sarah? Keep it aside. Now, Sarah's going to read the question for me now. Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the question.
They watch a movie tomorrow.
Yes.
Tonight.
My sister gave me this. Come on, read the question. My sister
gave me this bag.
This bag last year.
Last year.
Okay, come on, identify the verb in the sentence, Sarah.
Bag.
No, verb. Which is the verb there?
Give.
Gave. Very good. Gave. When did she give this bag for you?
Last year.
Last year. Very good. See here, you have a bag here. Okay, Sarah has a bag. When did your sister give this bag for you? It is last year she gave. So last year is the adverb of time there. Okay. Okay then. Very good. Okay then. Abu Tahir. Come on, Abu Tahir. Do the next question for me. Come on. George.
Finished the painting.
George finished the painting
Earlier.
Yes, George finished the painting earlier. Come on, identify the verb in the sentence.
Painting.
No. Verb.
Finish.
Yes, finished. Very good. Finished is a verb here. Now ask a question. When did George finish the painting? When did George finish the painting? When did he finish? Earlier. So earlier is the adverb of time there. Is that clear? Earlier. Very good. Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Advait,
have a
come on,
doubt?
Advait.
Ma'am,
Do
can
the
I
next
have a
question
doubt?
for me. Yes, yes, yes. I'll call you. I'll call you. Now, come on,
Ma'am, next
Advait, come on, read the question.
The meeting will
Mm.
start
Mm.
soon.
Yes, so
Will
identify
start
the
soon.
verb in the sentence first.
Will start
Very good. We'll start. Ask a question. When will the meeting start?
soon.
Soon. So soon is the adverb of time there. Okay. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am, can I announce?
Wait. Okay. All of you, please do mute your audios. I'll be calling you, Anam. Wait. Chidarup is there. Chidarup. Chidarup, come on. Read the next question for me, Chidarup. Oh, question is not there. Okay. Now, before.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, in adverb, the morning, evening, night, it can be in there.
Yes. When you get used to the sentences, you ask a question when. So you will be getting, okay, the answer, and that is the adverb of time. Okay. So according to the sentence, not only these words, but when you ask a question, as you go with the practice, okay? So when you go through the exercise, that is in page number 30 and 31, many more words are there other than this. Okay. So here there is an exercise for you, my dear children. All of you, please have a look at it. Yes.
And what is there in the textbook?
What is that?
It is there in the workbook.
Workbook. There is an exercise in the workbook. There is an exercise in the workbook. As you do the exercise, you will know it. Now, all of you, please do take your rough book and do the 10 questions quickly. One question is already done for you. You have to identify only the adverb in the sentence. Come on, do it.
Write only answer.
Write only the answer. Yes, let me check your answers then. All of you, please do it quickly. Take your rough book. Only for 2 minutes. Take your rough book. First answer is already written. What you have to do is you have to write only the answers here. Write only the answers. Come on, write. Your time starts now. Come on. Now let me check whether you have understood. Only then I can give you the the exercise which is there in your workbook has homework. Come on, do it fast. Read the question. It is, yes, it is visible to everyone. Others, please mute your audios.
Ma'am, workbook or rough book?
Rough book. Only write the answers, read the question.
Ma'am, what is your name?
What is that?
What is your name?
My name, you don't know?
No. Roshan, ma'am.
Yes, Roshan, ma'am.
Roshan, ma'am.
Forgot?
Ma'am, do you know Sangeeta?
Okay. Come on, do it.
Standard.
Yes.
Ma'am, we already
Okay, come on, write. Time is moving. So please do write it. Yes, that we will do it later. Now you please do this. Okay. Yes, do it. Write only the answer. Adam, Abel is absent or present? Adam, Abel. Absent.
Absent.
And what about Ananda Krishnan is absent? Ananda Krishnan is absent. Aradhya is absent. Dev Daksh.
Present.
Dev Daksh is present. Yes, Dev Daksh is present. Lakshmiga is absent.
Present.
Lakshmiga.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. And what about Matru? Matru Datan is present. Matru Datan is absent. Children, only those I'm calling, please do say it.
Ma'am, can you read the
Prarthana is absent. Rohan.
Prarthana is absent.
Prarthana is absent, I know it. Rohan, are you absent? Rohan? Rohan is absent. Okay. And what about Ujjwal? Ujjwal is absent. Ujjwal? Okay. Who's that? Who's present? Okay. I saw you. Yes. If you have finished, let's do these answers. Okay, all of you mute your audios. Mute your audios. Mute your audios, all of you.
Can you mute all?
That may be better, I feel so. Otherwise, you'll keep on talking. Okay, now all of you, please do listen. The play will begin now. Come on, identify Mitra. Come on, identify the answer. Which is the adverb of time here? Unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, say the answer.
No.
Now, very good. So if your answer is right, children, come on, put a tick mark against your answer. Okay. Now, who hasn't got the chance, I'll be calling those children. Reeve, come on, Reeve. Read the question.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
question. Yes.
The play will begin.
The
The
boy
came
boy came
earlier.
early. So early is the
Answer.
answer. Very good. Anom, come on, Anom. Read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. I will see him tomorrow. Tomorrow
Okay,
is the answer.
Very good. Tomorrow is the adverb. See that whether your answers are right. If your answers are right, please do put a tick mark against it. Yes. Abel Vargas, come on, Abel. Read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The train will
No.
reach.
He has arrived. He has arrived. He has arrived.
He also died.
Read this
Son
question,
of-
the fifth question, Abel. He has arrived today. Come on, you can't see the board. Fifth question.
He has arrived today.
Today. So,
Today.
Yes,
The
today.
adverb.
Today is the adverb of time. Ask a question when. Okay. Joanne, come on, Joanne.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question. Sixth question.
Okay, ma'am. The train will reach to Delhi tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow is the answer.
Very good. Tomorrow is the answer. Rida. Very good, Joanne. Rida. Come on, read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You desire will be
Will be fulfilled soon. Okay, come on.
Soon.
Soon. Very good. Soon. Yes, very good. Now, Yedu. Come on, Yedu. Read the next question. Yedu.
Yes.
Yes, come on, read the question. Unmute it. You haven't unmuted it.
Yeah.
He also
Yes, ma'am. He also
died
soon
soon after consuming consuming it. Consuming it. So which is the answer here?
Soon.
Soon. Very good. Soon. Janisa, come on, Janisa. Read the ninth question.
Now
Let me
die
a brave death
a brave death
for my son. So
Now.
Very good. Now, Stain, come on, Stain. Read the last question.
Ma'am, we should never fall into the hands of a monkey lender.
Money lenders. So.
Money lenders.
No. Which is the ask a question when. So we
Hands.
should. Yes. What is it? Never. Okay, never is the answer. Please do check your answers whether all of you have got 10 out of 10. So it's time for us to wind up today's session, children. So this is how you will identify the adverb in a sentence. Ask a question when. There is an exercise in your workbook. You have to do it as homework. Okay, children. So it's time for us to wind up today's session. I hope you have understood. Please go through your workbook, what is written, and the notes will be sent. Adjectives, all the notes are being sent, and all the answer keys. Very soon you'll be having a test paper. So it's time for us to wind up today's session. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, all of you. Bye, children.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all.